The ability to predict the weather has been a fundamental aspect of human existence throughout history. Before the advent of sophisticated meteorological instruments, our ancestors relied on keen observations of nature to anticipate changes in the weather. Even today, with advanced technology, there is still a place for natural indicators that offer insights into upcoming weather patterns. Some of the traditional natural ways to predict the weather and highlight their relevance in our modern world. Sky observations. One of the oldest and most intuitive methods of predicting weather involves observing the sky. Cloud formations can provide valuable information about imminent weather changes. For example, towering cumulus clouds often signal the possibility of a thunderstorm, while high-altitude cirrus clouds might precede a change in atmospheric conditions. Additionally, the color of the sky during sunrise and sunset can indicate the presence of moisture and potential changes in weather patterns. Animal behavior. Animals have a remarkable ability to sense changes in the environment, making them reliable weather indicators. For centuries, farmers and sailors have observed the behavior of animals to predict forthcoming weather conditions. Birds flying at lower altitudes, cows that lie down, ants becoming more active can all be signs of impending weather changes. While these indicators may not offer precise predictions, they contribute to a broader understanding of the environment. Wind patterns. Observing wind patterns is another natural way to predict weather changes. Changes in wind direction and intensity can signify approaching weather systems. For instance, a sudden shift in wind direction from the south to the west may indicate an approaching cold front. Coastal regions often experience predictable wind patterns, such as the sea breeze during the day and the land breeze at night, providing valuable insights into daily weather variations. Atmospheric pressure. Changes in atmospheric pressure are closely linked to weather changes. A falling barometer often precedes stormy weather, while a rising barometer indicates fair weather. Simple barometers, such as mercury or aneroid barometers, have been used for centuries to measure atmospheric pressure. Today, digital barometers and weather stations provide more accurate readings, but the principle remains the same. While modern technology has revolutionized weather forecasting, the importance of natural methods shouldn't be overlooked. Sky observations, animal behavior, wind patterns, and atmospheric pressure continue to serve as valuable tools for predicting weather changes. Integrating traditional knowledge with advanced meteorological techniques can enhance our ability to anticipate and adapt to changing weather conditions. As we navigate an era of increasing environmental awareness, the synergy of ancient wisdom and cutting-edge technology may hold the key to more accurate and sustainable weather predictions.